Frymaster fryers with automated oil management features have built-in diagnostic capabilities that reduce troubleshooting time. 4000 and 3000 series controllers communicate with a number of boards in the system that make automatic oil management possible. If one of those boards fails or loses contact with the network, operations associated with oil management, filtering, top-off, disposal can halt. If responding to a call that involves the oil management system, it's best to check on the health of the network first. The first question to ask: are the boards that make the operation work visible on the network? The answer to that question can be found on the controller. Starting at the home screen on the touch screen, press the question mark icon. From there, navigate to the information screen and then the software version screen. Ensure that each board shown on the matrix has a corresponding software version number. You can also compare the temperatures shown by the various probes. The values should be very close. The absence of a version number or a display of all zeros means the board is not visible on the network. It doesn't mean the board has failed. More troubleshooting is necessary to get to the root cause. The problem can be the harness between the boards or the connection between the harness and the board. A board with missing revision data that's between visible boards on the wiring sequence is likely bad. .3000 series controllers have similar diagnostic capabilities. With the controller off, press and release the temperature button. The boards, if they're visible, and their version numbers scroll. If the board name doesn't appear, it's not seen on the network. Both the 4000 and the 3000 platforms also record and display error codes. From the home screen on the 4000 series controller, tap the service icon. Tap the manager icon. Enter 1656. Tap the green check mark. Tap E-log. Record the most recent error. Use the manual to decipher the code. Don't rely completely on error logs. Keep troubleshooting. The error codes point the way, but the problem can be upstream from the reporting component. Error logs in the 3000 series controller take a few more steps to retrieve. Press and hold the check mark. The screen changes to Info mode and then Main. Scroll on the left side until the VAT setup is displayed. Press the check mark. Enter 1656 at the code entry display. Scroll to E-log. Press the check mark. Scroll the recorded error codes with the arrow keys. Using the 3000 controller's display, you can also compare the values between temperature probes. Pressing and holding the temperature button displays the ATO probe temperature. It should be close to the temperature shown by the temperature probe.